Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is rigorous. It is pronounced rig-us and is spelt R-I-G-O-R-O-U-S. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website where you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Rigorous is an adjective that means extremely thorough, exhaustive, or accurate. It is often used to describe tasks or activities that require a high degree of effort, discipline, and attention to detail. For example, you could say, the athlete followed a rigorous schedule to prepare for the competition, or the scientist conducted rigorous experiments to test her hypothesis. The word rigorous comes from the Latin word rigor, which means stiffness or harshness. In the popular Harry Potter series, students at Hogwarts face rigorous academic challenges and exams, testing their knowledge and magical abilities. They must work hard and study diligently to succeed in their classes and achieve their goals. Synonyms for rigorous include strict, thorough, demanding, and meticulous. Antonyms for rigorous include easy, lenient, relaxed, and careless. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, rigorous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.